what time is it? Finger play time. That's right. Can you wiggle, 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 wiggle? Tickle, 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 tickle.
Nice, Shuka. Good job, Kaho.
Good job. We're going to do a new finger play today, and it's called bubble, 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 pop.
Pop?
Yeah. Can you show me? Ready?
It.
Bubble, 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 pop.
Nice, Iroha.
Good job.
Nice. Welcome, Hannah.
Hi, Hannah. Thank you for coming. We're doing a finger play, and it's about some ocean animals. Yeah. The first one is a...
What is it? Nice. Good
Can
job,
you tell
Shuka.
me?
Nice set to kain, Iroha.
That's right. It's a shark.
Shark.
An angry shark. Yeah, that's right. Let's sing together. Ready? There's an angry shark and it's swimming in the water. Swimming in the water.
Nice,
Swimming in the water. There's an angry shark and it's swimming in the water. Ready? Bubble, 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 pop! Good job. Wonderful. But what's next? Can you look?
What is it?
It's a big green turtle. Can you swim like a turtle? Look. Can you wave your hands like this? Good job. There's a green turtle and it's swimming in the water. Swimming in the water, swimming in the water. There's a green turtle and it's swimming in the water. Ready? Bubble, 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 pop! Good job. But you know, we have more animals. We had a shark and a turtle and something that goes like this.
What is it?
What's that? Let's look at it again.
Can you see?
Nice,
Shuka. Good
so
job, Setuka.
Beautiful. It's a starfish. That's right, a starfish. Let's sing. Ready? Here we go. There's a starfish and it's swimming in the water, swimming in the water, swimming in the water. There's a starfish and it's swimming in the water. Bubble, 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 pop! Good job. What other ocean animals do you know? I know one that walks like this.
What is it?
Do you know?
Oh, nice, Takumi. Good job.
What's it called? Do you know its name?
Nice, Iroha.
That's right. It's a crab. A crab. Very good. Okay, everybody, here we go. There's a little crab and it's walking in the water, walking in the water,
Nice,
walking
Shuka.
in the water.
Good job, Setuka.
There's a little crab and it's walking in the water. Here we go. Bubble, 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 pop!
Good job, Mai.
Wow, that was great. We have one last animal though.
What is it?
It has lots of legs and it wiggles like this.
What is it?
Do you know? Can you see it?
Good job, Kaho. Nice.
It's an octopus.
Nice,
That's
Iroha.
right. Can you say it? Octopus. Good job. Let's dance like the octopus. Can you swim like this? Show me. Ready? There's an octopus and it's swimming in the water, swimming in the water, swimming in the water. There's an octopus and it's swimming in the water. Ready? Last time. Bubble, 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 pop! Good job, everybody. That was great. Nice finger play.